Staff or activate the help points at the station. Thank you.
Your attention please. Due to planned improvement work taking place this weekend, buses will replace trains between Eastbourne and Hastings on Saturday the 26th of November and between Polegate and Hastings on Sunday the 27th of November.
The train now approaching platform 1B is the 10:41 service to Gatwick Airport. This train is the service from Reading.